Hi, this video is for a testimonial for Ian Silver over at the PPC Entourage. Working with Ian, he definitely knows what he's talking about, and he definitely knows how to get the most eyeballs to see your listing. He's helped my listing going from 8 units of sales per day to about 12 with just his PPC knowledge. I can't wait to use him on my next product launch. Right now, I'm just currently sourcing a new product, and waiting for that to land on Amazon shelves before I reschedule a consultation call with Ian again. Also, he replies with everything and also makes videos to help you answer questions in between your calls. If you guys are having doubts or questions about your PPC entourage, use Ian or use their consultation calls. It's worth it. You'll make that back in tenfold on your listing. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.